How to clear search history on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Complete Tutorials. In this video you will learn how to clear search history on YouTube. To delete YouTube history, follow these steps. Go to the youtube.com and sign into your account. The first way to remove your YouTube history is by clicking on the search bar. Here you will find your recent searches. Simply click on remove next to any search you want to delete. If you want to remove all your past search history, click on the history option on the left hand side. On the right hand side, click on manage all history. Here you will find all your search history. Click on the delete drop down menu and select the date range for the history you want to delete. That's all. Don't forget to give a thumb up, subscribe and click the notification bell. Your comments and input means a word for me, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in comments below. I truly appreciate your engagement.